India has quietly moved into a stronger trade position in Asia, and the latest US trade deal explains why. With Washington cutting tariffs on Indian goods to 18%, New Delhi now enjoys a clear advantage over several regional competitors, including China, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. The shift is not just about numbers, it is about positioning. US President Donald Trump announced the deal after a call with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Trump said tariffs on Indian exports would be slashed from 50% to 18%. Prime Minister Modi welcomed the move, calling it a big boost for Made in India products. He framed it as a win for cooperation between the world's largest democracies. The impact becomes clear when India is placed next to its neighbors. China faces tariffs of around 37%. Bangladesh and Vietnam are at 20%. Pakistan is close behind at 19%. India at 18% now sits below all of them. That gap matters. Even a 1 or 2% difference can decide where global buyers place orders. For exporters, this is a pricing edge. Indian textiles, engineering goods, pharmaceuticals, and electronics now enter the US market cheaper than similar products from Bangladesh or Pakistan. Compared to China, the difference is even sharper. At a time when global companies are rethinking supply chains, India suddenly looks more attractive. This also weakens China's long-held advantage. Beijing still dominates manufacturing, but higher US tariffs make Chinese goods less competitive. India does not replace China overnight, but it becomes a serious alternative. That is exactly what Washington wants, a large manufacturing base outside China's orbit. For Pakistan and Bangladesh, the problem is different. Both rely heavily on exports like garments. With India now enjoying lower tariffs, buyers looking for scale and stability may prefer Indian suppliers. The deal tilts the field. The United States, however, has attached expectations. Trump has claimed India will buy more American oil, energy, agriculture, and technology, possibly worth hundreds of billions of dollars. He has also claimed India will reduce tariffs and non-tariff barriers on US goods. India has not confirmed these details, and that silence matters. What is confirmed is the tariff cut. That alone shifts that balance. India is now closer to the tariff levels enjoyed by US allies like Japan, South Korea, and the European Union. It is not at the bottom, but it is no longer in the penalty zone. That signals trust and strategic alignment, even if negotiations are incomplete. These are unanswered questions. No official US notifications has been issued yet. Timelines remain unclear. The issue of Russian oil remains sensitive, but in trade terms, the immediate signal is positive. India did not get here by conceding publicly. It negotiated, it waited, and it leveraged its growing economic weight. In a region where China faces pressure, Pakistan lacks scale, and Bangladesh depends on narrow sectors, India now stands out. The deal gives India a competitive edge not just against one country but across Asia. This is not the end of the story, but for now the scoreboard is clear. Lower tariffs, better access, and a stronger hand for India in the global trade game.